Guys, tonight is the night. Bordentown Regional School District Board of Education meeting, right? We're doing it for these guys right here. You want to go back to school, right? Maybe you don't. But he needs to, that's the point. He needs to be back in school. We need to show up in numbers and we need to make our voices heard and we need to make our case based on facts and data. The reality of the situation is the CDC, the American Association of Pediatrics, they've all advocated for in-person classes for especially for our youngest students. They need to be in school. The CDC has already put out the guidelines. Why? If you follow the guidelines, shouldn't your school be open? Does it have something to do with unions? Probably, but I digress. These schools need to be open. Remote learning does not work for the little ones. They need to be in-person classes, and all the data has shown that it's safe for them to be in classes. A couple things too. Children are, per the CDC, per the American Association of Pediatrics, they are, the COVID is not bad for them. They are affected at extremely low, almost non-existent levels. In addition, in contrast to what we heard initially, children have been proven not to be super spreaders. And when schools are opened in areas where community spread is low, there is no evidence that children the transmission from children to adults is low as well. So there's no reason for these schools not to be open. They have the ability and capabilities to open. So we need to make our voices heard tonight and demand that they reopen, not just on this phony hybrid schedule, whatever that means, but uh, permanently, full time, safely. We can do this. We need to force them to do this. This is the only way that they're going to listen to us.